Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a handphone not playing stereo or sound in Windows 11 or a 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your accessibility, go to your audio and make sure that the mono audio must be turned off. If it is turned on, then turn off it. So turn off mono audio and close it. After doing this yet, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type mmsys.cpl. So open this control panel, select the headphones and go to your properties. Click on enhancement tab and make sure that select the disable all sound effects. Click on apply and OK button and OK. After doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type mmsys.cpl. So open it and after doing this that select the speakers, go to your properties, go to your level and click on a balance and make sure that the balance is a 50% left and right. Click on OK, OK and OK button. After doing this that I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type mmsys.cpl. So open this control panel and after doing this that go to your communications and make sure that the selector do nothing. So select do nothing and click on apply and OK button, and after doing this that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.